friends, first of all download the background like this. Just type on Google 4K golden particle award free and download the first video. Okay, and after that guys, you have to download the background black screen background heart like this. So I will put both of background link in my video description, so you can download from there easily. And after this guys, I have made PNG images in Photoshop. I just deleted background and converted into PNG. So this is single bride image, groom and bride together, bride groom alone, and this one pic and hand pic I have. So and I have this one royal design, royal title design. So just download from Google royal title design like this image. So you have to search like this vector design royal title vector design, or you can search royal vector design like this. So you have to search like this, or you can search from there and just make it PNG. Okay guys, hand drawn royal. So here you can see so many royal types of designs. Okay, so this is the all the things I'm going to use for making a nice and beautiful wedding invitation. So I open After Effects CS6. After this guys, I right click here, new composition, and I'm taking 90/20 1080 square pixel 24 per second, and right now I'm using 1 minute 30 second video. And after this guys, press then OK. Now import your background. Okay, just drag it on composition, and after that go to effects, video copilot, and VC color vibrance. So guys, this is the plugin. You can download it from video copilot. It's very easy. So you have to just type on Google video copilot, and you can watch my other tutorial I have uploaded on my channel. So from this website you can download plugins. You can download easily. Here are so many plugins are free. Okay, and after this guys, you have to change, you can change color from here. So right now I'm going to use something light type purple color. Okay, so this is nice background, nice pinkish background. Okay, and after this I press Ctrl+0 for project. Okay, so the next thing is to adding text and images. So I wrote already text. So my first text is wedding invitation. So I just press Ctrl+C, copy, and I come to my composition. I take a text tool and just click anywhere and press Ctrl+V. Okay, so after this guys, select all the text and change the font, and so I'm using back to black. If you don't have, so you can guys download it from Google. Just type back to black. Okay, this is my font. Okay, you can increase decrease size from here. So the next thing is taking this title, I drag here. Okay, just to increase the size, press S and increase the size of this, and just move bottom little bit. Okay, okay, now I zoom layer. Okay, so I just click on the text tool. On the effect palette, I search here text. So here you can see on text so many text animation effects. So you can choose anything you want. So I'm using 3D basics. I drag on my text layer. So the right now effect is like this. I want to give some fade in fade out effect for this title. I press T, just click on the opacity and drag keyframe here and make the first keyframe 0. So it will look like this. If you think this is going so fast, so you can give space. Look, so this is fine. And let's give fade in effect. Okay, just select both layer by pressing shift and press Ctrl Shift D and delete this. Okay, so our text animation is like this, padding invitation. Okay, and this you can increase little bit more. Okay, again press T, select keyframe and make the value here 0. So our first title is ready, wedding invitation. Okay, so the next thing is Ahmad ul Haq, son of Mr. and Mrs. Azhar ul Haq. So the next part is of groom. Okay, so I import groom image. Okay, you can import your groom image. You can download it from you can make your groom PNG image. So just zoom out and set here. Okay, and after this guys, I take text tool. First of all, I copy this part. You can type. Okay, so this I want to make bottom text. I want to give red dress font like this. And again I import title here and just move it little bit here. Okay, set the position of this right. Sorry, I don't want to set groom position. This is text position. And after this, press Ctrl Shift T and delete the part of this text tool. Okay, fine. So I make fade out effect for this and this title. First of all, I change the title name, so this is easy to understand. Select both layer, press T, select keyframe 0 to 100. So it's like this, and on 6 seconds I give the same text animation effect of the bottom layer like this. Just you can set here little bit more. Ahmad ul Haq, son of Mr. and Mrs. Azhar. Okay, on 9 seconds select all the layers of groom, press T, just select keyframe, you can select from here. Okay, and on 10 seconds make the value 0, and after this press Ctrl Shift T and delete this layer. Okay, and the next thing is to take heart animation. Again drag here like this and set like this. Okay, and after this go to normal. First of all, right click here, transform fit to comb. Here make the black screen to screen, so you can see. Okay, so the next thing is again go to effect, video copilot, PC color variance, and choose the different color from here. This is fine because this is mixing with red background, our purple pink background. Okay guys, you have to do the same things for the girl picture. Okay, select all the 4 layer, press Ctrl D and just drag here up like this and just shift it here again. Okay, now I come to project and I import bride's image. Okay, and for the groom image, just select this bride's image, press Alt and drag onto the groom image. So make sure your groom image is selected. Again press Alt, bride and drop on groom image and set the groom girl position, and our text position should be here like this. Okay, and I change the text, Ctrl C, and daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Tanveer. Okay, so this is our third slide is ready, and now our next slide is Mehndi 16 August 2019 whatever. I press Ctrl C, I take text tool and I just make like this Mehndi ceremony, and I change the top font back to black, and I make a space between of Mehndi and date. Okay, because I'm going to add title between of them. Just drag here. Okay, just set the title, press S and increase the size of this, and again delete press Ctrl Shift D and delete the beginning part of text because we are going to start from here. Again select this both layer and press T for opacity and set the keyframe here 0 to 100, so it is like this, and after 21 second to 20 again we are going to give a fade out effects. Just set the keyframe and make it opacity here 0 and press Ctrl Shift D. Okay, so this is frame is ready. Now guys, you have to do the same things with wedding, ceremony, reception, and at the end in this way like add save the date. So your video invitation would be ready, and you can follow the same steps for making this cool, amazing, nice background. You can add more images somewhere, anywhere you can add in the save the date. Okay, you can add so many images, you can add in the middle of video so many images. So this is a very nice and easy way to make a wedding invitations with a golden particles. You can change color of the particles. So thank you so much for watching this guys. If you have any questions, just comment below, and if you want to see more video, so please hit the subscribe button now. Thank you.